Are you tired of dealing with hair loss and dreaming of thicker, healthier locks? Look no further. Today, I'm excited to share with you a simple yet effective recipe for a homemade shampoo that not only accelerates hair growth but also treats baldness. And the best part, you probably already have most of the ingredients in your kitchen. Before we continue to the interesting remedy, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our video. Number 1. Rice. Rice is not just a staple in our meals, it's also a fantastic ingredient for hair care. It promotes thick, strong hair and helps treat baldness. Number 2. Onion. This humble vegetable is a powerhouse when it comes to treating scalp infections and preventing hair loss. Number 3. Instant coffee. Yes, you read that right. Coffee isn't just for waking you up in the morning, it also works wonders for your hair by preventing hair loss and fighting baldness. Step 1. Rice water preparation. Rinse the rice thoroughly with water to remove any impurities. In a bowl, add a cup of water and soak the rice for about 3 hours. This process allows the nutrients from the rice to infuse into the water, creating a nourishing hair treatment. After 3 hours, strain the rice and keep the rice water aside. Step 2. Onion juice extraction. Peel and grate the onion using a grater. Strain the grated onion to extract its juice. This juice is packed with nutrients that promote hair growth and scalp health. Step 3. Mixing the ingredients. In a bowl, combine the strained onion juice with 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Mix the ingredients well to ensure they are evenly distributed. Step 4. Adding to shampoo. Take half a cup of your favorite shampoo, any kind will do. Add the prepared mixture of onion juice and coffee to the shampoo. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients are well incorporated. Step 5. Application. Use this magic shampoo to wash your hair in the shower, just like you would with regular shampoo. Massage the shampoo into your scalp and hair, ensuring thorough coverage. Rinse your hair thoroughly with water. Benefits. This DIY shampoo is a game changer for preventing hair fall and promoting hair growth from the very first use. You can continue using this shampoo regularly to maintain the health and vitality of your hair. Best of all, you can make and store this homemade shampoo for future use, ensuring you always have a supply on hand. So there you have it, an easy to follow recipe for a homemade shampoo that will revolutionize your hair care routine. Give it a try and say hello to beautiful, healthy hair. Don't forget to let me know which country you're watching from.